gonna buy one last night. I was like, oh, buy over 10 hours.
Oh, shit. Did you make some cookies and burn them too?
I didn't burn them.
They look burnt to me.
They look tasty. They taste good.
Oh yeah, no, the top looks excellent.
Overbaked.
Did you bake them while you were baking your head? You baked cookies while you were baking your face.
My hair. What are you gonna want me to do?
This is going on YouTube.
You better not.
No, Facebook. You can put it.
No.
Tag
Such
her.
a real.
You gotta tag her. You gotta tag Nicole. Oven.
Oven. And cookies. Burnt cookies.
And it only burnt because I left them on here.
Mom pays good money for those cookies.
You burned them yesterday.
But I ate them.
I might eat those. Turn it off.